Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. You have created several campaigns with Google AdWords for your clients. You are using the manager-defined spend for your budgets in Google AdWords. When you create a new start date for a budget, what requirement does Google have in regard to the new budget and existing budgets that you manage? Option A. Managed account budgets must be approved by two parties before the ad will begin display. Option B. Start dates for new budgets can't overlap with other budgets that may already be set up for the managed account. Option C. Managed account budgets cannot exceed $100 per day. Option D. Managed account budgets can't start and end on the same day for more than 3 managed accounts. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Start dates for new budgets can't overlap with other budgets that may already be set up for the managed account. Question 2. Alice manages several AdWords accounts and she has 3 assistants who help with the management of accounts. Alice receives a phone call from one of her clients regarding recent Google AdWords clicks. The client reports that he thinks something is amiss with his account and thinks someone has changed the budget. How can Alice review any changes to the account and, if necessary, determine if someone has made changes to the account's budget? Option A. Alice should use the Change History tool. Option B. Alice should use the AdWords API. Option C. Alice should use the My Client Center. Option D. Alice should use the AdWords editor. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Alice should use the Change History tool. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.